Unfortunately, many people around the world have bacteria in their stomachs, which is a very bad thing. These bacteria can cause various diseases, and the treatment for removing them is very difficult. Well, this is the main reason why we're going to show you how to make this powerful 2-ingredient remedy, which will help you get rid of them. As we said, you just need 2 simple ingredients: figs and olive oil. Yes, you got that right, figs and olive oil are the best remedy for bacteria in the stomach. The experts say that figs and olive oil are a recipe that originates from the coastal areas. It's an amazing natural and safe remedy for lots of health conditions, including stomach problems. Hemorrhoids, constipation, high cholesterol, anemia, asthma, bronchitis, and even infertility. Some women say that this natural remedy helped them get pregnant. Figs also provide antioxidants like phenols and flavonoids, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Additionally, their natural sugars offer a quick energy boost, making them a nutritious and satisfying snack option. Did you know that figs are one of the highest plant sources of calcium, which is an excellent alternative for the therapeutic treatment of people who are allergic to dairy products? Well, yes, and you should also know that this fruit is rich in dietary fiber. Because of this, they may have a laxative effect. And they're effective in promoting weight loss too. Figs are also a great source of potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and other important bodily functions. Omega-3 and omega-6 they contain help to maintain blood pressure and coronary heart attacks as well. Figs also contain a good amount of vitamin C, which helps to lighten and even out the skin tone. They are also loaded with antioxidants that give you healthy and glowing skin. Figs are high in vitamin B6, which has long been thought to be beneficial in treating morning sickness. Recipe for dried figs in olive oil. You will need the following ingredients: 40 pieces of high-quality dried figs. Olive oil. Directions: first, you need to put the dried figs in a jar and then pour olive oil into the top of the jar. Close it and keep it for 40 days. During these days, the figs will absorb a lot of olive oil. Eat 1 fig before every meal. You'll be amazed by the results.